Drummers, especially beginning drummers, tend to speed up when playing a fill. Most of the time this comes because of not practicing with a metronome or a click. I developed a way to self-check yourself in the case you don't have a metronome or you don't feel like setting up a metronome or a click. I also have a perfect self-checking system for playing the jazz beat and the shuffle. You can find this inside my course that's online available on my website. So your control mechanism with a relatively simple beat like this, it's going to be your right hand, and your right hand is doing this. Then with a 16-note fill like this, your right hand is doing this. So the first thing you're going to do is play only your right hand. So what your right hand is doing during the beat and what your right hand is doing during the fill. You're not going to play the bass drum or your left hand. Once you're familiar with this and notice that you're not speeding up during the changeover from your hi-hat to your toms and your snare, you're slowly gonna fill in the left hand only during the fill, but you're gonna play ghost notes with your left hand so that you can keep on concentrating on your right hand, like this. And once you're confident with playing that, you're just gonna slowly put everything together. So you play the whole beat and the fill, but you keep concentrating on what your right hand is doing. Even if you play with a click, put your click on 8 notes and then just keep concentrating on your right hand, that your right hand falls exactly on the click. Thanks for watching this video, I hope it helped you. You can click on the link to my website in the description below for more free lessons and a course that comprises of 12 lessons that goes deep into all the details of drumming. This course gives an insight in all the aspects of drumming for you to become a confident and all-rounded drummer.